Camellias, they're the shrubs we love and hate, so today I'm going to show you how to grow them and which varieties will work best for you. So let's start with where you're going to locate them. These really need just a half-day sun, not the hot baking sun. So also they need good drainage and they like acid soils just like rhododendrons. Pruning is right after they flower, and we'll show you that a little bit later. So let's move on to the best varieties. Right out front here, I've got Donation. This is an RHS award-winning Camellia. It's stunning. Look at Silver Waves. It's bigger than my hands. I don't have big hands, but that is a big Camellia. Elsie Jury, look, a little 2-gallon plant just loaded with blooms. We've got Betty Ridley up here if you're looking for something a little smaller. One of my favorites right here, Jury's Yellow. Really hard to find a yellow Camellia. Spellbound, look at that, really pretty. And Elina Cascade, a very rare weeping Camellia that you're probably not going to find anywhere else. So pruning is very easy. It's done right after the flowers have faded, which isn't right now. You want to go up and you want to prune to a leaf node, to an outward facing bud. So come on down to Amsterdam. We're going to show you which varieties of Camellia are going to grow best for you, and we'll run you through all the colors.